Student of class 10th. Now, chapter we have studied once. Okay. Now the time is activity session. So activity here is also very important in this chemistry subject. So now the activity, this activity is related to the video 5.6. Topic was salt. Okay. So what is the aim of this top A activity? So very simple. Write down. You can see here to write down the formula of salt and identify to identify their acid and bases. ठीक है? We have to identify and their acid and bases and their families. See this. To write the formula. So this is 2.13 activity. To write the formula of the salt and to identify their acid. So first question is this: write down the formula of the salt, and then we will write identify their acid and bases and the families. Children, see this. So these are the salts. Potassium sulfate. The formula is very simple: K2SO4. Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Calcium sulfate, CaSO4. Magnesium sulfate, MgSO4. Now copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, and next formula sodium carbonate, ammonium chloride last. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 salts and these are the formula. So children, we have to find also the acid. Suppose which acid will come. Suppose we delete this. Okay. So children, salt. Today I am giving you a technique. We know the concept of formation of salt. The concept is very simple. For this, refer the video number 6. So okay, what is salt? That is a heat of neutralization concept. Now what is this? Acid plus base and then salt plus water. Children, I am telling you here the technique. See, acid we have to determine, base we have to determine. Suppose salt is K2SO4 is given and water is given. We have to identify is here. So see, potassium is present. So we can take it is here KOH. Okay. So take KOH. Sorry, H2SO4 acid and base KOH. So children, see 2 mole of KOH, K2SO4 and 2H2O. This is balance equation. So K2SO4 and KOH. So write this: acid used H2SO4 and base is our KOH. Okay. So this is a technique. Similarly, we can use salt is our Na2SO4. Sodium sulfate, salt is sodium sulfate. So write salt is here this side. Sodium sulfate plus water. So children, we can use here acid H2SO4, base NaOH. Okay. So use 2 NaOH, Na2SO4 this side to balance the equation to H2SO4. So acid is our in this. This is acid, this is put, this is acid, this is NaOH. Is this way we can select the acid and base. So this is a salt and this is a base we have using, and acid is this. So is this way this is done. Sodium sulfate, H2SO4. Now similarly we can use this also. Salt is calcium sulfate is given plus water. Select the salt. Use acids H2SO4, calcium hydroxide. This is a base. So children, you can select this calcium hydroxide, calcium sulfate and 2 mole of water. Okay. So this is acid and this is base. So you can write here H2SO4 is this calcium hydroxide base. Similarly, any base you can take here. Okay. So here I am telling you this is a salt sodium carbonate. Okay, I am taking up here sodium carbonate salt. See this. So carbonate is present in carbonic acid H2SO3, and the base we can say NaOH, H2CO3 plus NaOH. Take 2 mole of NaOH, Na2CO3 plus H2O. Salt is formed. So you can see here, this is a acid and this is a base and this is this. Okay, so children, okay, so is this way we can select acid base. This is a salt, this is formula, this is a acid, is a base. So this is a technique. Okay, these techniques and concepts and application of this. Now next, after this, what is the question comes? How many families can you identify? Okay, so next question is come, how many families can you identify among these 9 salts? Yeah, among these salts, 9 salts are given, so we have to identify the families also. So student, first identify their acids, bases done. So in this activity, this portion is done, and identify the acid also we have done. Now this portion is the families among all these salts. So first, this is the conclusion or discussion of this is this. Now on the basis of common acid, okay, on the basis of common acid we are, so see this, how many common acids. So this is first this, these are the common acids. So on the basis of salts are, write all these salts: potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate and copper sulfate. Okay, so this is the case in on the basis of common acid salts. So these are all the sulfates, sulfate family. These are all sulfates family. Number 1 is sulfates family. Now we will take chloride family. So chloride family 1, 2, you can write. So chloride family, there are 2 salts related to this. Number 1 is NaCl, chloride related, and NH4Cl. NaCl and NH4Cl. Third is nitrates family. Nitrates family. There is only one nitrate family. Okay, so this is sodium nitrate. NO3. Now next, carbonate family. So carbonate family is one, that is sodium carbonate. So this is a carbonate family. Okay, so sulfate family, chloride family, nitrate family, or carbonate family, right? So next, on the basis of simple, on the basis of base, common base, okay, so see here common bases. First, this is common, this is common, this is common, 3 NaOH, yes, and 1 more here. So salts are sodium sulfate, and is a copper sulfate. No, that is NaCl and sodium nitrate and sodium carbonate. So these are all this sodium sulfate, and you see take it this NaCl sodium nitrate and sodium carbonate. So bases is common in sodium salts. These are family is sodium family, sodium salt family. This is sodium salt family on the basis of sodium. Now magnesium salt, calcium salt, okay, potassium salt also. So potassium salt on the basis of base hydroxide is there. So potassium salt is K2SO4. So Katium salt is potassium salt. Now copper sulfate. Okay, see this, copper sulfate also, sulfate, copper sulfate. This is a copper salt, CuSO4. Magnesium salt, MgSO4. This is magnesium salt. Ammonium salt, NH4Cl. This is ammonium salt. So student, is this way many salts are there, magnesium salts, okay. So on the basis of common base, on the basis of common acids, chloride, sulfate, nitrate, ammonium, sodium, potassium. So children, these are the salts, okay. So is this way. So this is the activity 2 once again. 2. So we will see the activity once, a recap of this activity number 1. To write the families, of the salts and identify of acid and bases, of their acid bases and their families. So student, these are the formula. Salts are given and formula you can know. Acid and base we can identify through the heat of neutralization reaction. So like this, if see the salt is formed a particular acid and particular base. So by chemical reactions we can pick as which acid, which base is we are using. So is this way, these are acid, base, formula and salts. So now this activity is completed now. Now we will see the next activity. That is we will see the next activity right in video number 8. So this activity is over now. Thank you children.